However, there are studies, I think this is in the other vectors directory, I've got those studies. There's two studies that I reference usually. One is a DNA study that suggests, like, from a genetic perspective, Neanderthals are our cousin. Like, we didn't evolve from them. We both evolved from a common ancestor. And they then, based on just looking at the genome and trying to trace it back, the paper suggests that we split with a common ancestor somewhere in the realm of 800,000 years ago. Us and Neanderthals split from a common ancestor. Like, that's when we carved off.
800,000 years ago.
Yep. And there's another study on teeth morphology, which was it actually got set up to try and prove that we're only 200,000-300,000 years old. And they were looking at, all right, so our nearest common ancestor, how quickly does our teeth have to evolve and morph, like this teeth morphology? How quickly does that have to happen for us to basically have the teeth that we have today relative to our ancestors? And they thought, well, it's going to have to be this rate to make these numbers work. And then they did this big statistical study on a lot of different people from all around the world, and they figured out the rate of dental evolution is much slower. So they basically worked backwards from there and said, okay, so if that's how quickly our teeth evolved, then we may have been around as many as 800,000 or 900,000 years. So you have two different studies. I mean, again, fossil record 300,000, but other studies do suggest the possibility could be towards 1 million years old for human beings.